Hello class, so today we're going to do the Chinese maple. I believe it's Ulmus chinensis. I'll have the name in the description. But here we're in Fullerton, and there's a nice little neighborhood with a whole bunch of these Chinese elms. So Chinese elms are from Asia, and they make a great moody street tree. You can see they kind of have a weeping pattern. The branches kind of weep. And they have I think, a fairly attractive bark. As you can see here, let me get in the shade a little closer. And you'll be able to see the bark on the tree. So this whole street is lined with these trees. They get about 25 to 55 feet high. In the desert, they're going to be shorter. And they actually might be more sculptural out there because they are a very sculptural tree. But in the windy areas, they get kind of windblown and they look really nice. That big tree behind us, that's a different elm. It's a different Ulmus species. So the Chinese elm is really cool. We're going to use it as a bonsai plant. You can put it in a pot and or a specimen tree, street tree. Now, out in the Mojave Desert, it will be a lot smaller and contorted looking. There's the bark. Very interesting. But it's still, nevertheless, a fairly hardy tree. Again, it does like a deep soaking of water at least once a week to keep it happy. So it's not a super drought tolerant tree, but it's a very easy and hardy tree and well adaptable. Again, we're seeing it here used as street trees in this Fullerton neighborhood. Again, that's the Chinese elm on our list. This is a deciduous tree. I believe it's a hardwood or a softwood tree. But it's a nice accent, a nice kind of interesting, weepy, spreading tree, the Chinese elm.